Hey guys, I'm here at the business class lounge of Turkish Airlines at Istanbul airport. It's one of the biggest lounges supposed to be in entire Europe. I'll just take you around on a short tour to give you a glimpse of this lounge and the facilities it has, including a lot of live kitchen options. So yeah, let's have a look. So here you have a storage area where you can secure your bags while you enjoy the lounge, and this is secured with a digital number lock. So as you see, there is a lot of choice for different cuisines here in the business class lounge, right from Turkish to Asian. So it's definitely a good choice to enjoy your lounge before you take your flight. So well, cheers.